this is Elizabeth with WTI. And are you thinking about going to a summer party or someone that you just want to say thank you to, but you don't know what to bring? Well, don't worry, I got you covered. This is TropiJoy 7 Variety Gourmet Dry Fruit and Nuts gift box. You have 5 different fruits. And what is so cool is that some of these are more of an exotic fruit, taste natural, and they taste fresh. So when you're eating them, they have that softness about it. And when you're eating dried fruit, that softness is key because it makes it taste really fresh. You can taste all the different flavors in it. Let me tell you about the range of flavors. So you're going to start over with the bitters, which is the orange, and then the dragon fruit. You have more of a tart neutral flavor, and the pineapple mango and papaya is sweet, papaya being the sweetest one. The other thing that's really nice is that inside of the lid, it has all of the information. So it tells you, it has the pictures of everything. So you know exactly like you're eating. So if you're like me and you're like, I don't know what a dragon fruit or papaya looks like, then like, don't worry. You have the images right here. And what's also really cool is it tells you some information about the fruit. Like this is a good antioxidant or this has a lot of fiber in it. What's great about this gift box is that it can be used all year round because guess what? Everyone loves fruit all of the time. What's also great is that it has a little bit of combination of with the nuts, it has a little bit of salty, and then with the fruit, it has a little bit of sweet, but everything is very balanced and in the middle. Nothing is too salty or too sweet. It's a perfect balance of everything. So if you're thinking of like, man, I just want to tell someone thank you, I just want to tell them I miss you, or I want to bring a gift over to someone's new house, but they don't like flowers, they don't like candy, why don't you try this awesome 7 gourmet tropical fruit box from TropiJoy because it's amazing and trust me, it's going to be so yummy that you're going to want to eat it too. But that's just my point of view.